If you have been on POPPO for so long and you're not even able to make just this amount that you're seeing here or more than this amount, or at least you have not been able to cash out just your least $10, then this particular video is for you. And if you're hearing about POPPO for the first time, POPPO is a live stream app. You can live stream and make money. You can make even more than this. Right now, I have $131.97, and I'm grateful making money from different platforms, right? Now, the good part I'm going to be teaching you in this video is how you can be able to sell coins to make money on this same app called POPPO. Because a lot of people will tell you, I don't even have time to come and sit down here and do live stream. I don't have time to come and do this. I don't have time to come and do that. But you can have time to sell coins. Because basically, even as I'm sitting down, someone just called me. I can just sell coins ASAP. You understand? And the good part I'm going to be showing you about this particular website that I will use is this website does not even require you to pay them anything. Like, it is just free to register. So if you check the link in the comment section or the link in the description box, you're going to be seeing the link to this particular website for you to be able to register. And if you've not joined POPPO, you can check out my link as well in the same description box so that you can join POPPO using my link. Let me know that you've joined, and we are going to join hands together to ensure that you grow. Now, I'm going to go ahead to start up my screen record, and as you guys can see, my screen record is all started, and this is how the platform look like. And the platform is called cocodp for players. With cocodp for players, you'll be able to buy and sell coins not only on POPPO live stream, but you can also sell coins on Bigo, Imo, Startmaker, Miko, Nino Life, Migo, and all of this that you're seeing. You understand? So you can sell coins basically on all of this live stream app. So imagine you are on 2 or 3 of this live stream app, then you are good to go. You understand what I'm trying to say? But as today may have it, let's just focus on POPPO live stream. So before we go ahead to show you exactly how you can buy coins, the first thing you need to do is to click on the link like I said, and you'll be popped to this interface. Then you go ahead to choose the country that you are. You can see that they have a lot of country here: Colombia, Philippines, Singapore, Brazil. And let's assume that your country is not even among this country. The basic thing that you are just supposed to do is you just check any country that you have people there. So if you have someone in Nigeria, or you have someone in Kenya, or you have someone in Ghana, go ahead and use that particular country. There is no restrictions to it. And the beautiful part again is, if you're in Nigeria, we have good news that we are already added to this particular platform. Because we are not added, that was why I've been using my friend in Kenya to be able to buy these coins. But they have not finalized our payment method. So once our payment method is finalized, buying coins is going to be simple, and selling coins is going to be sweet, and you're going to be making that cool money. Now, after choosing your country, the next thing that you need to do is to do what? Is to check of which of the live stream you want to sell coins. So if I want to sell on POPPO live stream, I click on POPPO live stream. And once you click on POPPO live stream, you allow this to load just exactly as it's loading. Now, once it's loaded, you are just going to see what? Secure payment, fast delivery, where you can also enter your UID. Your UID simply means your user ID on POPPO, okay? So you can see this is my user ID 3422724, and then you can see the amount of coins that you can buy. And for every single coins that you're buying here, you're going to be having Jara. So this Jara is what you're going to be gaining, like your interest, you understand? So imagine you buy coins for 140,000, for example, or you buy coins of 70,000, you're going to be having extra 13,000 coins, and of which that is a whole lot. You understand what I'm trying to say? So right now, once you check all of this place and you want to buy coins, just put your ID. If you want to even buy for someone, you can just put the person's ID there. That's why I'm saying buying coins from this platform and selling is very, very easy without you even having to be running up and down. You get. Now, let's assume I want to buy coins of 70,000, they're going to give me extra 13,000 coins more or plus. And now I'm going to go ahead and fill in my email. You guys can see that my email address is already here. Since it's already here now, I'm going to go ahead to choose the payment method I want to use. But it is good that you pause and read all of this, which is how to top up, how to find. And the good part is you have to be very careful with your ID, because POPPO said they will not be held liable if you give them a wrong ID, and at the end of the day, they send the coin to that ID. So you have to be very careful and ensure that your ID is perfect. Now I'm going to be using which part I want to use and pay. So let's assume I want to use Kenya money mobile or mobile money to pay. You can see that it is stated here in Kenya shillings. So what I do basically is I'm going to calculate this in Naira currency, and then I'll just send it to my girlfriend that is staying in Kenya, and I just give her my ID and she is good to go. She just buy coins to my account. Now all you need to do is to click on buy, and I'm doing this tutorial in case you want to send it to your friends in whichever country, so you can just send them this video so that it'll be very easy for them as well. So now you can see here, you can just agree that you have agreed, because in your first time it's not going to be ticked. So because this has been like over and over again, that's why my own is automatically ticked. And you can see they say recharge account UID. They will still bring out the UID for you to be able to see and the amount of the money. And all you need to do is to click on confirm. And once you click on confirm, you are good to go. In less than 5 minutes, your coins will be credited to your POPPO account, where you can be able to play game, live stream, sell coins. You can be able to do like anything with that coins, you understand? But why I'm doing this particular one is for you to be able to start selling coins. So if you don't have strength to be sitting down on live stream, you don't have strength to be going from one party to another, and people keep pushing you out of the party, dedicate yourself in selling coins. All you need to do is to find your agency, and then you tell your agency that you're selling coins. You tell your friends and family that you have that you're selling coins. They are just automatically going to be recommending people to you. It's as simple as ABCD. Then now, once you are done buying coins, you are good to go. Another beautiful part I love about POPPO so much that I want to join is their Facebook page. Now, when you join their Facebook page, it's going to be very, very easy for you, because they have a lot of things they're doing. You can see they have like 26,000 followers already, and all you basically do here, especially for those ones that is selling coin, is there are small games that you're going to be participating here, and they're going to be making money. You can see like Happy Valentine games, like there are different games that they are playing here, and that's the beautiful part I love about them. So if you have not joined their Facebook page, kindly do well to join their Facebook page. You can see some of the winners as well. You can see winners from Christmas wish list and the rest of that. So there's a lot of goodies for you to be able to cash out. Sometimes they give them cash prizes, sometimes they give them free coins, and those free coins you can be able to sell them. So if you're on POPPO and you want to start selling coins using cocodp for players, I advise you to join their Facebook page. Trust me, you are not going to regret. Okay, and once you are done buying your coin, don't forget that it is going to be accumulated here, where you're seeing this your other end on POPPO here, which is this place that you're seeing 412 coins. You can see how many coins I have left here. You're going to be seeing it here, and as simple as ABCD, you're making money already, and you just go your way. You don't even need to be struggling with anybody, or you don't need anybody to tell you that, oh, come and do this or come and do that. It's as beautiful as that. So buying coins from this platform, it is very, 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 very what's easy. And I love the fact that cocodp for players make this very, very easy. So start selling coins and thank me later. Anyways, if you have not subscribed, subscribe, like, comment, and share. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Do well to do what? Use my link if you have not registered on POPPO as well, and I will be so grateful. Let's communicate more in the comment section, and I'll see you guys with my next video. And yes, with no further ado, I do like what I say in my videos. I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.